Ever wondered how the universe kicked off its grand cosmic show? Let me introduce the James Webb Space Telescope, our cosmic detective, rewriting the rulebook on the universe's epic beginnings. But hold on tight. Did you think Pluto spilled all its secrets? What makes it so special? Why is it gleaming like a celestial disco ball? And what's cooking in its steamy atmosphere? Well, we are going to answer all of these questions in a minute. So are you ready for a cosmic adventure? Let's get started. Let's talk about Pluto, our not-so-little friend in the solar system. Remember when it used to be the 9th planet, cruising through space with all its planetary swagger? Named after the Roman god of the underworld, Pluto got a bit of a cosmic demotion in 2006. Turns out the rules for what makes a planet changed, and Pluto didn't make the cut. People weren't too happy about it, but Pluto's still got that celestial charm. Fast forward to today, and we're still peeling back the layers of this distant space buddy. For a whopping 76 years, Pluto had some cool quirks, like its tiny moon and a wonky orbit, but we kinda missed the memo. It wasn't until the James Webb Space Telescope turned its eyes on Pluto that we went, whoa, hold up. This icy world isn't just chilling out there, it's a dynamic player in the cosmic game, buzzing with geological action. So, who would have thought that what we once saw as a frozen snoozer is actually a lively, mysterious world? The universe sure knows how to keep us on our toes. In simple terms, to be a planet, you have to do 3 things. It has to go around the sun, be massive enough that its gravity shapes it into a sphere, and it must have removed any debris from its orbit. Pluto didn't pass that last part, so now it's called a dwarf planet. The word planet has been used for a long time, and back in the 1600s, if something big was moving in the sky, people thought it was a planet. Even moons counted. Back in the 1800s, when astronomers stumbled upon what we now call asteroids, they actually labeled these rocky objects as planets. Pluto, from the get-go, earned its planetary title. Discovered in 1930 by the amateur astronomer Clyde Tombaugh, it showed up in photos taken by a telescope at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff, Arizona. Tombaugh was pretty excited, proclaiming, "I've found your planet X." However, the cosmic plot thickened when we realized Pluto wasn't flying solo in the universe. In 1992, outside Pluto's turf, a much smaller object emerged, only 1/10 of its width. Since then, about 2,000 icy bodies have been uncovered in the Kuiper belt. This raised some cosmic eyebrows. What did these new planets share with Earth, and why were they suddenly in the spotlight? The whole definition of a planet became a puzzling topic for astronomers. In 2005, Professor Mike Brown from Caltech discovered Xena, the first Kuiper belt object larger than Pluto, adding another layer to the celestial narrative. The Pluto debate hit its peak in 2006 during a showdown at the International Astronomical Union Conference in Prague. After lengthy talks, a new planet definition went up for a vote. Pluto and Xena were downgraded to dwarf planet status, and the term Pluto killer got stuck to Mike Brown, leading to a quick makeover of posters and textbooks. Oddly enough, not all space scientists hopped on the update train, especially those deep into Team Pluto. Some smart minds, like Mir and others, tossed their arguments against the International Astronomical Union's IAU planet definition in 2 papers. They highlighted the historical use of the term planet and how the definition has shapeshifted over time. While the IAU defends its definition to prevent a planet overload, Mir frets that sticking to just 8 planets might squash curiosity about the vast cosmos. The cosmic classification drama unfolds, leaving us to ponder the ever-changing nature of how we categorize our celestial neighbors. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons probe zoomed past Pluto like a space superhero, and boy, did it spill the planetary beans. This little planet turned out to be a bustling hub of activity. Imagine nitrogen cliffs, methane ice shards, and a gigantic heart-shaped feature. Talk about a cosmic surprise party. Now let's zoom in on the star of the show, Sputnik Planitia. This frozen basin isn't just chilling, it's a key player in Pluto's drama. When the sun gives it a cosmic warm hug, the ice on this plain transforms into a space dance, rising into the atmosphere. But when night falls, it gracefully descends back down. Some clever scientists even think this rhythmic heartbeat might be the reason Pluto decided to do a cosmic cartwheel. And guess what? Pluto's far side is hiding a secret cue, mysterious music. there's a ginormous crack like a space puzzle piece resembling Earth's East African rift. This crack's age hints that Pluto's liquid ocean threw a cool party the moment it met the cosmic air. Talk about a chilly entrance. This discovery adds weight to the idea that Pluto might have a hidden ocean beneath its icy skin. But wait, there's more. On Pluto's near side, there's red ammonia-laced ice, giving off major signals that this dwarf planet might be rocking some organic compounds. Now, we're not talking about space farmers. It just suggests that Pluto's got some interesting cosmic chemistry going on. So Pluto, once the shy kid in our cosmic class, is turning out to be a real showstopper, revealing its secrets one surprise at a time. While this doesn't imply life originated on Pluto, it suggests the possibility of life surviving there. Also, scientists are buzzing about a mind-blowing discovery: the possibility of an underwater world hiding beneath Pluto's icy surface. The far side of Pluto, a place with a seriously chaotic landscape. Now, why are scientists doing backflips? Well, similar crazy terrains are spotted on other cosmic pals like Mars, Mercury, and Europa, that cool moon of Jupiter. What's the connection, you ask? Seismic waves from a massive space smackdown, like an asteroid or comet collision, might be responsible for this celestial roughhousing. But here's where Pluto steals the spotlight. That wild terrain on its far side might just be the cosmic clue we've been waiting for: an undercover ocean doing a stealthy dance beneath the icy crust. So, in the grand space play, Pluto is not just a cold, distant rock. It's a potential hotspot for an intergalactic ocean adventure. The implications of a subsurface ocean are profound. If such an ocean exists, it could potentially support life. The reddish hue of Pluto's waters, possibly stained with organic molecules, further fuels this speculation. These organic molecules, created by radiation similar to solar wind or cosmic rays, could be the building blocks of life. While this doesn't necessarily mean life originated on Pluto, it does suggest that life could thrive if introduced to the planet. Another enigma presented by the telescope's images is the presence of ice structures on Pluto's surface. These icy ridges, some as tall as skyscrapers, are evenly distributed and rise sharply into the sky. Their origin remains a mystery, with some scientists speculating that they might be remnants of a methane ice layer eroded by intense sunlight. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its longer wavelengths, will be aimed more directly at Pluto, offering the potential to discover unexpected features. The dynamic nature of our understanding of the cosmos is emblematic of humanity's never-ending quest for knowledge. Researchers continue to improve climate models and plan to recreate Pluto's atmosphere and possible ocean conditions in a laboratory. To crack the code of Pluto's icy wonders, scientists are on a mission. They're diving deep into the cosmic climate, studying every nook and cranny of this dwarf planet. It's like putting on detective hats to unlock the mysteries hidden in Pluto's terrain. Researchers tweaking and fine-tuning their climate models, even attempting to recreate Pluto's atmospheres in labs. It's a bit like creating a space recipe to understand what makes Pluto tick. With each lab experiment and model adjustment, we're getting closer to unraveling the cosmic enigma that is Pluto. Pluto, in all its icy glory, becomes a symbol of humanity's unstoppable curiosity. It's a reminder that our understanding of the universe is like an ever-evolving storybook. As we keep poking and prodding the cosmos, a timeless question echoes in the void. Are we alone in this vast cosmic dance? The hunt for answers doesn't stop. Each discovery becomes a new chapter in our cosmic journey, unveiling the immense beauty and complexity of the universe. So, dear cosmic travelers, keep your eyes on the stars, for the universe is a vast and mysterious playground. Until then, bye, have a good day.